Hello there. I like to do drawings. Do you like to do drawings? Today we're going to be doing some drawings of boxes in 3 dimensions. I'm going to ask you to go to pixilart.com if you wish to work digitally. As we learn about 1-point and 2-point perspective, I will give you the option of working digitally on pixel art or using traditional media like pencil and paper and rulers and triangles and other drawing tools. But for right now, I'm just demonstrating on pixilart.com. I'm going to choose the 4th option, which is a straight line tool, and draw a horizon line. Then with the pencil, there's a dot floating in the air. That is our vanishing point, where all of our orthogonal lines will eventually end up. The 5th option is a draw squares and rectangle quadrilateral tool. I'm going to put a hole in 2 of those boxes. And then every corner is going to go to the vanishing point. Those lines are called orthogonals. They're straight, but they're diagonal. Orthogonal lines from each one of the corners, or from all the corners whose orthogonals will be visible. So there are some that we will skip, as you can see in the holes of the boxes. Now I need to go totally horizontal and then drop it totally vertical. That's the tricky part. Totally horizontal or totally vertical and then horizontal. You can tell by the grid whether you're going straight up and down or not. And then there are many different ways to do this, but this is the way that I'm doing it today. I'm going to choose the eraser, and then it's kind of a pain. It takes a while. I wish I could just tap on the line and erase the whole line, but I'm erasing the lines that I don't need, the parts of the orthogonal lines that I do not need. So I really only need the lines that show the front, the top, and one side of a cube, or rectangular prism. Even though there are 6 sides, only 3 are visible. There are 6 sides, but only 3 are visible. Ooh, that's deep. For everything that we do see, there's an equal amount that we do not. All right, so then, okay, you gotta go in and close up some of the, what happened? Some of these holes, some of the parts where I erased that vertical. Because to use the paint bucket tool, if there's a 1 pixel that's missing, the paint will spill into the whole thing, as I believe is going to happen when I choose. Uh-oh, what's that? Oh, I forgot a line. I forgot a line from that corner. Did I forget it? How could I forget it? I forgot it. There we go. When I choose the paint bucket tool, which is our 7th option, see, it spilled from the sky into the ground because of those holes I got to close up. And you just tap where you would like the paint to fill in. Colorblind art teacher. That's not green, is it? Is that green? I don't know. Is that gray? I can't see. I'm colorblind. I mean, I can guess. But, well, that is red. Is that like a block red? Then I'm going to go and choose a shade of red. So I'm pulling down into the shaded area. All the vertical parts of the box will be that shade. And then I'm going to choose a tint where you add white. And the tops of the box will be white. There you go. That's your activity for the day. And this is my dog, Princess Sophie. She has discovered that she can roll on her toys and make them squeak or make them do their electronic song.